Hello everyone, Entertainment here. In this video, we will unboxing the Viltrox EF-EOS M2 mount adapter. This Viltrox EF-EOS M2 adapter is designed to allow mirrorless camera Canon M series to use DSLR EF series lenses. By using this Viltrox EF-EOS M2 mount adapter, the focal length of your lens will be multiplied 0.71 times based on the original. This will help to enlarge one aperture level. So for example, if you use a fixed lens with 1.8 aperture, by using this Viltrox speed booster adapter, you can increase it to f1.2 aperture. The light will also be captured much more by using this Viltrox speed booster. If you are still confused about what a speed booster is, you can just imagine speed booster as some kind of magnifying glass mechanism that makes camera sensor can capture more light because of the glass mechanism inside of it. For more details, you can see the example at the end of this video. Okay, now let's open the box first. This is the contents of the speed booster box from Viltrox. We have a slight transparent black box. It's a kind of paper quality control. We get the mount adapter and also the storage box for the adapter. The box has rubber like this. Okay, let's save it first and see what else do we got here. There is only a mount adapter with a manual. Here is a clear instruction on how to mount and detach the adapter on your camera, the function of the product, how to mount on the tripod, and how to upgrade the firmware. The instruction is pretty clear here. If you still don't understand, you could refer to it later. Now we will try to use this adapter on Canon EOS M50 camera. Previously on this camera, I used a standard adapter without speed booster. Now this is what we just unboxed, the adapter with speed booster. We will see what is the difference between using a standard adapter and speed booster adapter from Viltrox. Let's mount it first. And open the lens. Here I use Yongnuo f1.8 50mm fixed lens. Let's try to take some photo. First, we will use a regular adapter. Well, this is the result of photo using the standard adapter. We will try taking some other photos before reaching the adapter with speed booster. This still use the standard adapter. It's the second photo. Let's take the last photo with the standard adapter. Okay, now we will replace the standard adapter with Viltrox speed booster adapter. Okay, let's take the first comparison photo. This is the result. You can see from the side-by-side comparison. On the left, the photo is using a standard adapter, and on your right is a speed booster adapter. We will try to match the position for the next photo. By using speed booster, you can position the camera just like the full frame camera. Because if you don't use speed booster, the distance will appear too close to the object. To see more comparison and review, don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get info when there is the latest video on this channel. The distance is exactly the same as when using the previous standard adapter. You can see for yourself the difference is quite significant by using speed booster. If previously using a 50mm lens, it will look like using 80mm lens on this camera, but now thanks to the speed booster, the distance will look closer just like the full frame camera. Okay, that was a brief comparison to this unboxing video. In the next video, we will do a more in-depth review of this Viltrox and its comparison with the standard adapter. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more in-depth comparison about this speed booster on Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera. See you in the next video.